What's up, my Blader Nation? Today we're going to be checking out the B163 Brave Valkyrie. Here we have Vault Ahoy. Check out the back of the box. We have BVI-2A. We get VI, B2A, and Evolution Dash. There is the QR code for all you QR hunters out there. Check out its stats. Its attack is over the top. We're also going to be comparing this to the Hasbro one, even though we all know the outcome of that. Side of the box. Side of the box. There's showing off his gimmick. But let's go ahead, unbox this bad boy, and check out what's inside. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all my videos that come every day. So here we have the parts. We have the sparking Valkyrie chip with its detachable core. It comes in at 2 grams. We got the Brave layer, really nice blue and yellow. I do see why people are complaining where it gives a kind of like green vibe to it, but you have to remember, blue and yellow make green. They teach you that in really young art school. This comes in at 12 grams. Now, I was wrong on my Brave Valkyrie video when I said that the yellow on the layer was the rubber. The rubber is actually on the chassis, which is quite interesting because if this was like the spring chassis where you can use both right and left, you'd be able to put this on Mirage Fastener to give it even more rubber. So I feel like that's why they kept it only a right spin chassis. That way people weren't making bays overpowered with spin steel. The chassis weighs 45 grams. And then you have the Evolution driver, I mean. We have Evolution here. And it's pretty much identical to the Hasbro Evolution. Only difference is Hasbro is a little bit taller. But it comes in at 6 grams. Putting them all together. There he is, put all together. It comes in at 66 grams, where the Hasbro one comes in at 34 grams. So, a big difference. Here's how they both look. The one thing I will give to the Hasbro one that the TT one doesn't have is that the yellow doesn't have as much green looking to it. But the one thing I give to the TT is pretty much everything else is better. The weight, the chassis, the tip. Like, they could have gave us a frame on this and not given us arrow. But let's go ahead, put the stickers on it, test it out in the stadium. Okay, so before we go into test spins, I just want to show you all, because I didn't know until now, that he actually has 2 modes with his chassis. He has a mode where the rubber is more on the outside perimeter, not where the blades are. And then if you flip it, he has another mode where the rubber is with the blades. So I don't know what the 2 modes are called, but I'm going to stick with the mode where the rubber is right here and see what happens. We will do more videos with all my newer sparking bays to see how they all work. But let's go ahead and test them out with some test launches. 3, 2, 1. And he's your standard attack type. He circles, the stadium looking for someone to attack. Pretty standard. So let's go ahead. We're going to battle him against Satan, Curse Satan, Ragnarok, Mirage Fafnir, and Rage Longinus. So first we're going to go Satan. 3, 2, 1. Curse Satan took up the middle. Oh, but Valkyrie's coming in for the attack. And Valkyrie won. Next we're going to do Valkyrie versus Ragnarok. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and a burst finish from Valkyrie. Next, we're going to do Brave Valkyrie versus Mirage Fafnir. 3, 2, 1. A lot of big hits coming. But Mirage Fafnir won. And finally, we're going to do Valkyrie versus Rage Longinus. 3, 2, 1. A lot of big hits. But Rage Longinus wins. There's one more battle I want to try. So the last battle I'm going to try is an extra battle, but it's going to be Brave Valkyrie versus Lucifer of the Inn. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the reason I really want to try out this battle is because we have not seen him actually activate his effect before in battle. So I had a feeling that only really an attack type could do it with their heavy hits. But Brave Valkyrie, good bay, nice looking bay, nice parts to it. It didn't do so well against the left spins, but it did great against the right spin bays, except for Lucifer the Inn. But hit that comment down below. Which battle was your favorite battle? Did you like that burst finish against the Ragnarok bay? And yeah, that's going to be all. Go hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell if you want to keep track on all my videos. Go check out my sponsor at BeyLab.com. Use that promo code XBL2021 to get 5% off your next purchase. I want all of you to stay safe, keep Beyblading, and let it rip!